Cosplay Competition 2025. Now, we would like to call on Judge Chris to present the award for our second runner-up. Judge Chris. This cosplayer wowed us with his or her attention to detail and dedication to his or her character. This One Piece Cosplay Competition Cosplay Battle 2025 second runner-up is
this cosplayer has achieved the title of second runner-up for the outstanding portrayal of character and craftsmanship in the One Piece fan adventure given this 31st day of August 2025.
Again, our One Piece Cosplay Battle 2025 second runner-up is...
Sino sa tingin nyo? Si? No!
Congratulations to... Rafael Carlo! This award will be presented to us by Judge Tally. The next award is for the first runner-up.
Certificate of award reads, the cosplayer winner will be presented to... has achieved the title of first runner-up for the outstanding portrayal of character and craftsmanship in the One Piece fan adventure given this 31st day of August 2025. Sino kaya?
The cosplayer who is voted as the first runner-up. This cosplayer wowed us with his or her creativity and skill. Let's give a big round of applause to our first runner-up, Sir Jacos of St. Charles. Madami talagang umakalma.
cosplay champion for this year's cosplay battle. Wala mo nang aalis sa inyo ha. Kahit okay, balik. Hindi ko po tinatawagan si Judge Stalin. Balikan po muna natin ang ating best dress kanina. Okay, pabitin muna guys ha.
Bitinin muna namin kayo. Bago yan na sa grand winner.
Sino ba ang judge's choice? Sa tingin nyo, sa lahat ng nag-perform kanina. O hindi, kahit hindi siya nag-perform, umakit siya ng stage at best dress.
Best dress.
See?
Hi guys, good afternoon. Judges choice po sa cosplayers. Siyempre hindi na kami pumili sa mga contestant. The best naman yung mga halata naman, diba? So, dito tayo sa mga general crowd natin. Pumili po kami ng isang boy and isang girl. So, unahin natin isang boy. Si cosplayer Moira po.
Cosplayer Gecko Moria. Ang ating best dress. Para isang tawa mo ng kishi. Congratulations to Gecko Moria. Teka na po muna dyan, Gecko Moria. May isa pa pong i-announce si Judge Stalin.
Kaya syempre kung may boy, meron din tayong girl. Si Emiru cosplayer mo.
Si Eneru, si God NL.
Yes, congrats po. Yes.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, our judges' best choice for Judges' Choice Award for Best Dressed Cosplayer. Again, congratulations sa ating cosplayers na si Gecko Moria and
Thank you, Judge
Ayun na,
Stalin and to my Costos. Thank you
Eto na.
and congratulations sa ating best dress. Diba? Umatin ka ng best dress ka pa.
Eto na ang inaabangan ng lahat. Sino kaya ang ating One Piece Cosplay Battle 2025 winner? To be awarded by Judge J.L. Mondragon.
This year's cosplay champion has achieved the title of Grand Champion for the outstanding portrayal of character and craftsmanship in the One Piece fan adventure given this 31st day of August 2025.
This cosplayer embodies the spirit of One Piece and delivered an unforgettable performance. The cosplay champion
Ready na ba ang inyong mga camera?
of 2025's One Piece Cosplay Battle. The winner is Fangas Podcast Theater! Nag-aapoy na to na
Performance from Sam S. Podcast DA!
Inaanyayahan po ang mga winners, second runner-up, first runner-up, and our grand champion.